Let's take a look at the domain of g of xy equals e to the x plus e to the y over e to the xy minus 1. Now we know that both e to the x and e to the y individually, they're continuous everywhere. These are not polynomials, but these are continuous functions everywhere. And likewise, e to the xy is also continuous. So we know then that g of xy is continuous for all xy in R such that e to the xy minus 1 is not equal to 0, because that's going to be the only time we've got a problem. Well, that happens when x equals 0 or y equals 0 or clearly both. So I know I'm going to have some discontinuity there, but what is the limit? Does the limit exist or not? So what I want to do is I really can't start off with x or y being 0, because right away I'm undefined. So let's fiddle this a little bit and let's consider y equals x. Now when I do that, what I'm going to end up with is the limit, or I'm going to think about the limit as x goes to 0. If y equals x, I have 2 times e to the x over e to the x squared minus 1. Now notice as x goes to 0, the numerator will go to 2, and the denominator will go to 1 minus 1, which is 0. Therefore, this limit does not exist. What happens is this is actually going to infinity. So again, the limit does not exist. Quite clearly it doesn't exist. And I know I have a point of discontinuity at 0, 0.